Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah and very good day. My name is Associate Prof. IR Dr. Saiful Anwar Zainal Murad from Faculty of Electronic Engineering Technology, University Malaysia Perlis. Would like to present our product, Smart IoT-based flash flood monitoring system. So flash flood is the natural disasters that must consider as a serious issue in our community. Flash flood can occur due to the extremely heavy rainfall, especially in our country, Malaysia, due to the tropical weather. During the flash flood, every individual is unable to secure and save their belongings from damaging because the water rises quickly and fast moving that can trap them. Lack of alertness to notify make the authorities to take daily action to save themselves and their belongings from impact of flash flood. Therefore, we propose flash flood system based on Internet of Things for monitoring and notification. This is our product description. We use Arduino Uno as a microcontroller to control the overall system. The sensor that we use is ultrasonic sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, and also rain sensor. So the ultrasonic sensor is to detect the water level, temperature sensor to detect temperature, rain sensor to detect the condition of rainfall. We also connect with the GPS module to detect the location of the flash flood, and also GSM module is connected for notification. So all the sensor will be processed by the microcontroller, and then the output from the sensor we use the LED as a signal to alert the people during the flash flood. We also have the buzzer. We alert the sound to the people, and also we have the water pump to pump out the water to reduce the water level during the flash flood. Part of that we connected with the Wi-Fi module in order to collect the data and send to the cloud. So further the data can be observed through the computer. So let's we show how our product is working. So let's see the product demonstration.
This is my prototype setup. I was built this setup using white cardboards, aquarium, plastic decorators and junction box. All the materials and sensors were installed around the aquarium according to the plan. The sensors and modules were connected by wires with power supply of 12-volt car battery. The three major sensors, which are rain sensor, ultrasonic sensor and temperature humidity sensor, are playing vital role in this project. The function of rain sensor is to detect the presence of water drop on the plate of the sensor. When rain drop present on the plate of the sensor, it reduces the resistance because water is a conductor of electricity. Ultrasonic sensor can measure the distance to a wide range of objects regardless of shape, color or surface. In this setup, I was placed the ultrasonic sensor on top of the aquarium to measure the water level. Temperature and humidity sensor are among the most commonly used environmental sensors. This sensor is used to provide the actual humidity condition within the air at any given point or given place. The function of GPS module is to track the flood location and send it through mobile phones. It contains tiny processors and antennas that directly receive data sent by satellite through dedicated RF frequency. It will work together with the Global System Mobile, which is GSM. GSM Mobile is designed to send the alertness through short message service SMS. This module able to receive data from radiation devices and transmit the data as text SMS to the server. Flooded areas are recorded and monitored through IP camera system and provide live telecast incident to local communities and authorities. The recorded videos will be stored in Little Stars application, which is directly connected to IP camera. Solar plate was placed above of the whole setup to trap the light energy, which converted into electrical energy to support the system. During daytime, solar plate will absorb the solar energy in the form of light energy from sunlight. The solar plate will operate with 12-volt car battery to store the energy and cover in night time. To ensure the working ability of the solar plate, a LED strip is connected with the system. If the LED strip is light up, the system is considered as working smoothly. Water droplets were placed on the rain sensor to detect the presence of rain. After I place the water droplets, green LED will light up to indicate the place is raining, and the temperature and humidity sensor will start to measure the surrounding temperature along with the moisture of environment. There are three stages of water level fixed in this system. Firstly, when the water level reaches more than 19 cm from the ultrasonic sensor, the LCD display shows normal message and the green LED light up continuously. When the water level is between 16 to 19 cm, the LED will change into yellow. Cautious message will be delivered by the display. Dangerous message show when the water level is below 16 cm. Yellow LED will change to red LED with alarm siren. Water pump will start to work by pump out the water from the aquarium. During cautious and dangerous stage, GPS and GSM module will send the alertness message together with the location of the current place through mobile phone to the authorities. ThingSpeak database was used in this system to record and store all the data from the sensors and modules. The data will be in a graphical forms and always updating for every 5 minutes. This database also contains latitude and longitude details to indicate the affection location. Thank you.
The purpose of our invention is to design a flash flood monitoring and detection system by using Internet of Things and notification system. Second, to notify and alert the people by giving notification through mobile using GPS and GSM system. Finally, the purpose of our invention is to analyze the data through the database ThingSpeak website by developing a program coding. So the novelty of our product is real-time data monitoring in the web-based in computer. Our product is integrated with alarm system and water pump, and notification warning and location can be observed via mobile phone, and also we include the live video monitoring. So this product can be benefited to society, such as people are able to secure and protect properties as well as save lives during the flash flood. For the authorities, they can take fast action to rescue operation in the flash flood area. Finally, the warning and alarm message can be sent immediately to the people. So we also check the competitors for this product. We compare with the first JPS Malaysia. The product is real-time flood information. In this product, they didn't have camera. Another competitor is Telegraphia from overseas. The product is early flood warning system, but the system did not include camera and database. For our product, Smart IoT-based flash flood monitoring system, we have monitoring system, warning with siren, notification, camera, and also database. In terms of the commercialized potential, our product can be used as a flood monitoring system or heavy downpour monitoring system, flash flood control system, and also can be used for landslide risk monitoring system. This product also have a copyright in the MyIPO Malaysia. So with that, thank you for your attention for our introduction to our product. Thank you.